Welcome back to the Big Red F. I got a honey-do list when I got back to Michigan here for the couple of weeks before I go back to Texas. So I, using my brand new Home Depot light, started taking a look at this master bathroom fan replacement. I got the model number and we went to Home Depot first thing in the morning to get the replacement kit. And this video is me going ahead and installing it. I found the kit to be very easy. I highly recommend these Broan-NuTone fans as it makes replacement of the engine, the motor there, really super simple. So after removing the old fan motor, which again is pretty simple, I just popped it out with a flathead screwdriver and pulled it apart. After having unplugged it from the outlet there, again this requires no rewiring. I then proceeded to clean off dirt and grime and gunk from probably before we bought the place. This is a replacement kit from Home Depot. It was $30 or so. Again, very minimal installation assembly. I just had to screw some nuts on there. I've gone ahead and I've already managed to put the newly assembled items in there, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Being prudent, I did disconnect the power, so I'm going to have to go and reattach the power, even though there's a switch involved, before I can power it on and see if it works. I've turned the power back on, and you'll hear it sounds so much better than it did before, but obviously it sounds a little different without the cover on. So clean things up and put the cover back on. Don't forget to like and subscribe.